What's going on, Garrett Barry here. Chances are you're watching this video because you're doing your research on the multiple income funnel. Maybe you've been seeing the buzz about this system and you're watching videos on YouTube to really find out, is this right for you? Is it legit? Can you actually make money? And what are you required to actually know before investing into this system? Well, you're in the right place because I've actually been online the last 5 years, full time. I've reviewed tons of these different systems, and I've actually been a member of Multiple Income Funnel for over 2 months now. So what I'm going to do inside this video is give you more of an overview of how it works, because I go into more details in other videos, but then share with you some of the results of not just myself, but other people just like you that have partnered with this system and have started to see some results. Okay, so first off, I'm inside Multiple Income Funnel right here. Now, at any time in this video, if you want to actually partner with me and access some incredible bonuses that you get, which I'll actually touch on towards the end of this video, so you want to stick with me, then you can go to the first link in the description and go ahead and check out more information. But I'm inside of the system, and there's 4 simple steps. Okay, you watch this video, the welcome video. You can join our private Facebook group. Okay, this is for members only. So all you have to do is invest the $47 up front to access the system, and you can join our private Facebook group. I'll share the Facebook group in a second with some of the results. Step 2 is set up the income streams. So there's 4 main income streams. There's a few other ones, but these are the main ones. You just go through each step very simply, and you set up your income stream. You watch this video. Mack, okay, one of the creators of the system, will break it down, and it's really that simple. Okay, Easy One Up pays you 100% commissions up to $2,000. TechSpot is incredible. Traffic Authority, okay, is very, very powerful, and this is how you're actually going to be generating traffic with paid advertising, as I'll touch on again in a little bit. Set up e-wallet. Okay, this is important. Income stream number 1 and number 4 pay you every Friday through an e-wallet, which is an online wallet. So as you make commissions, sending people to your done-for-you website with the system, then you'll start getting these deposits into your e-wallet. And that's basically it, okay? And then you can look at the back office tour, which I'm kind of giving you right now. Now, when you join, you go to your links, okay? You just take one of these capture page links, and you start getting people to click that link. They'll click the link, they'll check out the website, they'll put their email in, they'll start getting followed up with automated done-for-you emails, and you can really relax and start to generate sales. So if I go into here, you're going to see that just ramping up some traffic the last few days, I've actually been able to generate, okay, if you see right here this date, okay, on the left, multiple sales per day, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One of them is inactive, okay, so 6 sales yesterday. One of them was for the year, okay, an annual sale, which pays $180 per commission. So, and you can see that, this one I had 3, this one 2, and then this one. So I'm still making sales, right? Maybe you saw my original review a couple months ago. This system is not going away, okay? It's just getting better. It's converting, they're testing things. And now if I go into the Facebook group, you're gonna be able to see, okay, other people that are getting results. Okay, this person right here, Gerald, okay, he said he made a sale. Okay, that's amazing. Scott right here, okay, some daily sales coming in. Jeff, okay, daily sales. Now I'm just sharing this because a lot of these people are brand new and they're still making sales with this because it's newbie friendly. It's easy. It has all the pieces, 95% of the pieces, the website, the follow-up emails, the products, all of that is in this system. The only thing you have to do is send people to your website. Get people to click that link. How do you do that? Well, again, I want to share with you in a second the bonuses that you're going to get from me personally when you go to the link under this video today and partner, even at just that $49 a month level, which is the very, very basic level. That's not even investing into the other income streams, which you obviously want to do to earn the most money as possible. Even if you just invest in the $49, you're going to be able to access my bonuses, okay? And some of them include Facebook and YouTube training that I've never before revealed, okay? So again, you're seeing people not just posting results, but also people answering questions, okay? If I still feel like I left something out, does anyone else feel the same way? I'd be more than happy to help you figure it out. Okay, here's a guy that's not even getting paid for this. He's just helping. Okay, so people are constantly helping, and it's just absolutely incredible. So now, what are the bonuses? Okay, because you've seen the results. You don't have to, learn that much more about the system. Honestly, it's really that simple. You set up the income streams, you get people to click your link. Simple. How do we get people to click our link? That's what these bonuses are designed to do. Now, when you join me at the $49 level or the 108, it's like 350 or so for the year. Okay, the commission is 180 for the person that you join. If you join at that level, which is ideal, so you don't have to pay monthly, or the $49 a month, you're still going to get these bonuses. I'll get notified and I'll send you an email. And the first video is an overview video, kind of a little bit what I'm doing now, but more step by step, more what to expect, what you need to be doing in about 30 to 60 minutes a day to generate incredible life-changing income. Step one, obviously log into your account, join our private Facebook group. I have it here as well, so it's very easy for you to find. Step three, okay, is watch the bonus training to get free and paid traffic to your link fast. Again, remember, you want to get people clicking your link, and you want to do it both free and paid methods. Now, the paid method is traffic authority. Now, traffic authority is actually one of the income streams, okay, inside of the system. So you can actually set up an account and then purchase traffic, okay, directly from that income stream. Very, very simple. And then I have the button here. Again, I made these bonuses very step by step, so it's easy. Anyone, doesn't matter your background, doesn't matter your experience, doesn't matter if you're not technical, you can follow these simple steps. Facebook training, okay, I give you a very, very step-by-step process that you can follow every day on a Facebook profile to generate free sales, get people to click your affiliate link and start to make sales. Okay, elite YouTube training. Okay, I've made thousands and thousands, multiple six figures just using YouTube. I reveal some of my best strategies really on YouTube just for, again, joining at that $49 level. And then access to 7 of my best copy paste ads. You can click here. It opens a document where I have 7 of my best ads that I've posted on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter to get people commenting for more information, right? So you post these ads, people, they comment, hey, I want more information on this business. I'm interested. Okay, these ads are going to get you the most engagement, the most people actually curious. And then all you have to do is private message them the link to your multiple income funnel. Okay, so this, one of the links here. And then when they do that, again, just to share, they'll go here, they'll click there, they'll put their name and email in, and then the system starts following up for you, making you sales. Okay, and then I have some information here if you want to connect on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, etc. This is it, my friend. This is the formula. It works. Multiple income funnel is not going anywhere. It's incredible. The results from myself, from my team, from other, newbies are just absolutely incredible. You're going to get help. You're going to get guidance. And I invite you right now, go down to the link below, put your best email on my website. I'll share with you more information as well as other steps you need to know to make the most out of this opportunity. And I'm really excited to work with you. So take action on this. Once you get started, look out for an email from me within 24 hours or so with the bonuses. And I look forward to seeing you at the top, my friend. God bless.